average training period for an immigration officer is 47 days.
So compare that to the 2-year training period that's required before a cadet can become certified as a Chicago police officer. In response to the ongoing violence playing out on city streets across the country, State Senator Lauren Fine of Evanston and Glenview is pushing for new legislation. It would ban any ICE agent from becoming a law enforcement officer in the state of Illinois. Senator Fine says the deaths of Renee Good and Alex Preddy are proof ICE agents are not trained to de-escalate.
The realities are that these murders and the devastation that we're seeing is preventable. And while the stories of Renee and Alex are very prominent, they're not isolated incidents. ICE's violence has escalated with one major contributing factor, and that being their training and their recruitment practices.
The Illinois Republican Party is opposed to Senate Bill 2820, calling it soft on crime legislation.